Pipsqueak. Hey, how you doing? We need you to help us identify these animals by the sounds they make. Can you do that? Yeah, sure can. Okay, here we go. Ready? What animal makes this sound? Oh man, that's a tough one. But I think it's a zebra. That's correct. Great job, Pipsqueak. Mr. Squiggles. Yes, how can I help you? What? We are asking the ZhuZhus which animals make these sounds. So we need you to identify this animal sound. Oh, I think that's a little doggy. That's correct. Great job, Mr. Squiggles. Num Nums, how are you doing today? We need you to identify this animal sound. Well, I feel like I'm down on the farm. That has to be a rooster. Very good, Num Nums. Great job with that animal sound. Chunk, my boy, we need your help. Can you identify this animal sound? That sounds a little tough. But I'm pretty sure that's a little goaty. That's right, it is a goat. Thank you, Chunk. Jilly, you little prankster, we need your help. Can you identify this animal sound? Wow, that's a crazy sound, but I'm pretty sure it's a horse. That's correct. Great job, Jilly. Bean, you other little prankster. We need your help identifying an animal sound. Can you tell me what's this animal sound? That's the craziest sound I have ever heard. But I think I could use that in a prank. That is a fox. That's correct. Great job, Bean. Miss Queen Star, the rock star. I need your help. Can you identify this animal sound? Well, this isn't something I normally do because I'm a big star. But that is a cat. That's correct. Thank you, Queen Star. Appreciate your time. Harvey, what up, my boy? Can you help us? What is this animal sound? Oh my goodness. That is only one I've seen one time. And it's an elephant. That's correct. Thank you, Harvey. Appreciate you identifying that sound for us. Izzy, we need your help. Can you identify this animal sound? Oh man, that's a big animal. 'Cause it's a cow. That's right. Thank you, Izzy. Thank you all you ZhuZhus for playing. Thank you, and we will see you at the next one.